Hi there, Mohit this side, creator of SendMailAs. This is a quick video of how to set up. So the first thing that you need to do is simply click add domain. I'll add one of my domain. If your website is hosted, I mean if it's live, you can simply select where it's hosted. Since this domain is not hosted, I'll select I don't have a website. You can select an email where you want your emails to be forwarded. You can edit it, you can change it. For now we are using this email, so let's hit continue. So domain is added, the system is taking care of setting up things in the backend. Meanwhile you need to just point your name servers to the Cloudflare. In the next step I'll show you how to add this to Cloudflare. Great, my domain is hosted with Pokebun. So just come to your Pokebun, go to NS and just add the two name servers that we saw in the last step that you can find on our website. Just add them to, delete everything that will be probably here, and just click save name servers. That's it. Great. Once your name servers are added and the system picks it up, you'll see this screen. So this is the third step where you need to create your first alias. So simply if you can add hi, hello, support. For now let's say we are adding hi. So you can see receiving status is now active. We'll hit create alias. The alias is created, and this is our one final step that we need to do. So we need to set up SendMailAs in our Gmail to start sending the emails. For now receiving is active, so if anyone sends an email to this particular email, it is going to land into my personal Gmail. So forwarding is set up, we just need now to set this up to send an email. So we'll see that in the next step. So now let's set our last step. So simply come into your Gmail, click settings, all settings, go to accounts and import, and you can see this section, send email as. I have already set up one of my email for a domain that is sheetsend.xyz. So now we'll set this up. So simply click add another email address. Name I can click hi open agents. It was hi at openagents.club. Uncheck this and hit next step. For the SMTP server, you will find all the details here. Simply copy, paste. You will see username too. Copy, paste, see password, copy and paste. Leave the port as it is, that is 587. No need to do anything else. For the security, we'll use with the recommended TLS setup. Simply click add account. You can see we successfully located your server, and it has set a confirmation link. Since we already have set up receiving, that is forwarding to this email, the confirmation email is going to come into our personal Gmail itself. So we can close this window. Let's go to inbox. See the first one. So we have received this. Simply click the link and hit confirm, and done. Your email is now linked with this particular Gmail. We can simply now refresh, and let's hit compose. And as soon as you hit compose, you'll see our open agents email has been added to our account. You can simply select this, select any email, add a subject, and simply send it. So that's the quick easy steps on how to set up. So this is a one-time setup. You don't need to do this again and again. So now onwards, all the emails that you attach to this particular Gmail, you can simply see here, select a drop down from which you want to send, add a sender email, and send your email. I hope you understood how this works. If there's anything, please reach out to me via the support email. Thank you.